Best Impact Socket Set, Top 10 Impact Socket Set for 2022, which Impact Socket Set won? All of these items are listed by best-selling and customer reviews. 1. DeWalt Impact Socket Set, 23-piece, 3/8 of an inch drive metric/say, DWMT74738. 2. DeWalt Impact Socket Set, combination, say/mm, half-inch drive, 30-piece, DWMT19249. 3. Craftsman Deep Impact Socket Set, say, half-inch drive, 12 pieces, CMMT15886. 4. DeWalt Mechanics Tool Set, 205 PC, DWMT81534. 5. Nico 02471A 3/8 Standard and Deep Drive Impact Socket Set 67 pieces, say 5/16 to 3/4, metric 8mm to 19mm, swivel sockets, CRV and CRMO steel, quick release ratchet, extension bars and adapters. 6. DeWalt Impact Socket Set, 23-piece, half an inch drive metric/say, DWMT74739. 7. Nico 02475A half an inch drive deep impact socket set, 14-piece, 6-point metric sizes, 11 to 32mm, CRV steel. 8. DeWalt DW22838 3/8 10-piece impact ready socket set. 9. Sunex 3342, 3/8 drive master impact socket set, 42-piece, say/metric, 5/16 3/4 8mm to 19mm, standard/deep, CRMO alloy steel, radius corner design, chamfered opening, dual size markings, heavy-duty storage case, meets ANSI standards, including 10. Nico 10083A Master Torx Bit Socket and External Torx Socket Set, S2 and CRV Steel, Supreme Torque Output Complete Kit, 60 pieces,